Hold on, we will do it together.
Riko world, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko world, hooray!
One warm sunny day in sunny forest, Riko and Max walked to the river. Max jumped right into the water. Riko looked down nervously. "I don't know how to swim," he said softly. Riko put one foot in. The water was cool. He tried, but got a little scared. Max smiled and reached out his hand. "Hold on, we will do it together." Together they kicked and splashed. Water flew everywhere. Riko kicked his legs and floated. "I'm swimming!" he cheered. Nana flew down gently and smiled. Trying something new takes courage, and courage grows every time you try. Riko and Max waved goodbye. See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko world, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in